Hey guys, welcome back to iTalab channel. So you just factory reset your Android phone, maybe to speed it up, or maybe you bought it secondhand, and now you're staring at a screen that says enter PIN. You need to enter your PIN to unlock the device. What if you forgot the PIN? Or worse, it's a second-hand device. In today's video, I'll show you how to bypass verified PIN after factory reset. This is caused by something called Factory Reset Protection, or FRP. It's a built-in feature on all Android devices running version 5.1 or higher. When you factory reset a device that still has a Google account linked to it, FRP lock will be activated. It's designed to stop thieves from using a stolen phone after wiping it, but it also locks out legitimate owners who simply forgot their PIN. The easiest method to bypass verified PIN screen is to use Google account information instead. However, this method only works for the original owners. After entering the correct email address and password, you can set up the device. If you forgot the Google account password, you can reset it via the web page. After resetting, it will take 72 hours for the new password to sync on all your devices. What if you bought a second-hand device and can't reach the previous owner? iTalab UnlockGo Android is a dedicated FRP bypass tool that can help you remove FRP lock in just 3 steps. No technical skills needed, just download the tool from the description. Apart from bypassing verified PIN on Samsung devices, it also supports other brands such as Xiaomi, Redmi, Realme, Vivo, Oppo, Motorola, Huawei, OnePlus, Micromax, and Lenovo. Now, let's start. Click Bypass Samsung FRP on the screen. Connect your locked device to the computer, then click Start. You'll see several options to bypass Samsung FRP. In this video, I'll use the USA model option. If you need a guide of other options, please watch the videos in our channel. Now, you don't need to do anything. Just wait. When you see this pop up, it means that your device has been unlocked successfully. Then follow the on-screen instructions to factory reset your device again. After restart, you can access the home screen of the device and enjoy all functions. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to get the latest information.